Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a little bit of the fall event that's coming up. Well, fall event part 2 that's coming up today. So I'll be showing you a few different leaks for the upcoming update. So the first leak is that there is an obby that you'll need to do, and you'll need to use the leaf blower to do the obby. I think that's what I've heard. So go to the fall festival gears and stock up on your leaf blowers. I have I have 18 uses, but you're just going to stock up on your leaf blowers. You'll get like small rewards from going to the obby. There's like the orb that you can kind of claim, similar to the beanstalk one and the fairy obbies. Then you will need to complete the fall activities that will be there. I think you'll need to give fall mutated plants. So make sure you have your grizzly bears and your fountain as well, which I have already. So it can give your fruits the fall mutation. Sorry, your plants the fall mutation. You will need that. Then from that you can unlock these items like the fall seed pack, and inside the fall seed pack there's the autumn shroom, fall berry, speargrass, torch flare, auburn pine, and firewell. Then you can also unlock these pets. There's salmon, woodpecker, mallard, it's like the duck, and a red panda. And those are the new things that will come up tonight on the fall event part 2 in Grow a Garden. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.